Welcome to the Omatic overview for posting revenue transactions such as opportunities, gift transactions, and gift commitments from Salesforce to Sage Intacct. Omatic works with Salesforce Nonprofit Success Pack, or NPSP, Nonprofit Cloud, or NPC, Education Cloud, EDA, and other versions of Salesforce. As a member of the development services team that uses Salesforce, I'm responsible for posting transactions for my finance team. We use the Sage Intacct connector to post revenue from Salesforce to Intacct. Omatic's Sage connector is a direct API integration between Salesforce and Intacct. The connector streamlines our post process and bridges the gap between Salesforce and Intacct, which results in expedient and accurate financial reporting and eliminates room for errors. Before using Omatic's Sage connector, my team struggled for hours when posting, going through a series of custom reports to group the right transactions from Salesforce and exporting that data into Excel. Once data from Salesforce was exported into Excel, hours of time were spent manually manipulating and formatting the file. Sage Intacct requires data in a specific format, and we needed to do complex data transformations. This was time-consuming and often resulted in errors, which meant extra time spent reconciling. Now that I'm using Omatic's Sage connector, it only takes a few minutes to post opportunities and gifts from Salesforce to Sage Intacct. This is the Sage Intacct connector, where I manage posting opportunities and gifts from Salesforce to Sage Intacct. Omatic transforms and appends data directly from Salesforce and creates a draft journal entry batch in Intacct. When I'm ready to run the post process, I can click Create New Post to begin the process. Here I can filter on which opportunities and gifts to post from Salesforce to Intacct. I can filter by opportunity stage, date fields, or a time period, and by campaign. To run the post process, I select my parameters and click Run. Additionally, a Salesforce report can be used to select which transactions to post for organizations requiring additional filters beyond opportunity fields. When the post process completes, an open batch of journal entries is created in Sage Intacct. Omatic's Sage connector is a direct integration into Sage Intacct. When posting opportunities and gifts from Salesforce to Intacct, you can elect to either send data in detail or summarized format. We're now looking at the draft batch of journal entries inside of Sage Intacct's General Ledger, Journal Entries. In this journal entry batch, I've elected to view transactions in detail. Any of the dimensions used in Sage Intacct can have data populated from Salesforce. Here's another example of a draft journal entry batch from the Sage connector. This is the same opportunity and gift data from Salesforce as the previous journal entry we saw, but in this example, I've elected to have the transactions from Salesforce summarized. Why does all of this matter? The Sage Intacct connector integrates Salesforce and Sage Intacct. Timely and accurately integrated data saves time, eliminates the need for manual file manipulation, and provides flexibility to post opportunities and gifts to meet your organization's specific business requirements.